Look how huge this box is. Crazy. Okay. They really stuffed this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shakayla and I am a part-time reseller. I predominantly sell on Poshmark and I am a new reseller on the eBay app. Today is a retail arbitrage day, and retail arbitrage, if you're new to the reseller community, is simply buying something from one retailer and reselling it. And so I have a SHOPBOP unboxing for my Poshmark and my eBay page. So everything that you see in this box is going to be for sale. So if you're interested in any of these items, they will be on my Poshmark page, which is at 77 Vintage Row, and my eBay, which is at 77 Vintage Row. I like going on ShopBop.com because ShopBop has really great trendy clothes and all the brands that you love. So, the first thing I want to show you guys is, I want to show you guys some sandals that I bought. And these are called Arizona Love. And they're these cute, strappy denim sandals. Aren't those adorable? Guys, and I have these in a size 40, which I believe a size 40 translates to a 10. So I have these, and guys, they sent them in this cute dust bag. So when I resell these, I'm definitely gonna resell them in this adorable dust bag. Look at those. Aren't those so cute? Ah! And guys, a little bit about retail arbitrage. I normally thrift all of the time for my resale items, but I am trying something a little bit different. I'm trying something new to give my closet more new tag items. I want to have more new tag items, so that's kind of where I'm transitioning slowly. So that's what we're doing with all these really cool pieces. Okay, guys, next thing I have, look how huge this box is. Crazy. Okay, they really stuffed this. The next thing that I got were some New Balance sneakers. They have, the end is like a peachy color. I don't know if you guys can tell. And they're green and tan and white. And I got these sneakers in a 9.5. Aren't they so cute? So I got these sneakers. And New Balance, for me, they sell pretty good. Whenever I thrift New Balance, they do pretty well. So I'm excited to see what these do. Guys, the next thing that I purchased, sorry, I already unwrapped this because I was so excited. This is an AGOLDE leather. Actually, it's not leather. It's, guys, this AGOLDE size 12 jumpsuit. Look at this. Look at this. It is actually a vegan leather. So that's even better. And guys, this is a size 12. But I low-key feel like I could fit this, and I'm like a 16, 18. I could be wrong. It could just look bigger. But this is a really, really, really beautifully made jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is heavy. There's a heaviness to it, a thickness to it. Wow, this is gorgeous for this time of year. I have a jumpsuit like this. I gotta wrap this up really nice and put it back in the package. What else do we have in the box? Guys, had to get some Levi's. Look at these. Aren't they adorable? And these are a size 34. They are the wedgie straight. And look. So it buttons. It has like a button area where there's supposed to be a zipper, or there's normally a zipper. So it buttons up underneath. And it has this really nice raw hem. And then here is the tag on it. You cannot go wrong with some Levi's. Okay guys, the next item. Let's see. What do we want to do? What do we want to get out next? We want to pull out a Madewell bag. I'll show you guys. This is how it looks. It's a navy blue. It has a long strap. Oop, my timer's going off. Guys, I'm making granola, so the timer's going off, but I'll get it in just a minute. I'm gonna take the strap out, guys, because I want it to have that nice new feel for whoever gets it. But I will have pictures up so you guys can see that pretty strap. But yeah, this is how the bag looks. So we got a Madewell bag. And I've actually thrifted Madewell bags a couple times. I found like the Madewell tote. I've never found a bag like this, like the camera bags. But I have found a couple of the totes while thrifting. I'm always excited when I find Madewell. Actually, this weekend, was it this weekend? I think it was Friday. I actually found 3 really nice Madewell pieces. I found a sweater. It's so pretty, and it's like new. It's like a burnt orange fluffy sweater pullover. And then I found a plus size pair of the Madewell jeans. It's a size 22. They look like they're pretty much new. They're in excellent condition. And then I found some rail straight Madewell jeans. So check those out if you are interested in some Madewell jeans. I have more shoes for you guys. These are called KAANAS. I do not know how to pronounce that. I'm guessing it's KAANAS. So I got these gorgeous slides by KAANAS, and these are a size 10. Look at that braided detailing. These are so cute. And they're thick. And they feel like they'd be really, really comfortable. Last but not least, guys, I got these CVs. And I got these CVs because they are a classic white sneaker, which never goes out of style. Everyone needs a classic white sneaker. These are actually kind of like an off-white. But they have that classic style. And I got these in a size, these are in a size 9.5. I hope you guys can see those pretty good. Look at that pretty color on the bottom. It's just a basic sneaker. Something casual to go with your jeans, your t-shirt. And that's the back of them. Okay guys, so that is everything. Now it's just filled with bubble wrap. Got quite a few pairs of shoes, and overall I'm really pleased with everything that I got. So as I said earlier, all of these items will be sold on my Poshmark and my eBay. They will be double listed, so just keep that in mind when you're checking them out, that they are on 2 different platforms. And I will go ahead and link my Poshmark down below, and I'll go ahead and link my eBay as well, so that you guys can find these items easily. Guys, thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share and comment down below. So I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.